Hi Nail Fam, hope that you guys are doing well. I have some new products here that Born Pretty sent me over as PR products. I just want to share them with you and do a little quick nail design. So we have some new products from Born Pretty actually. They have launched some full cover nail tips. Now these are new to me. I'm not quite sure how long they've been on the website or if this is actually an old product, but they looked new to me and they were kind enough to send me over 2 packs of their square full cover nail tips, and these are matte as well, so that definitely means you won't have to etch the inside of the nails. Now I do have a wider thumb, so they do not quite fit me comfortably from sidewall to sidewall, but I do like that they're matte. Also like that they are medium sized, and also that they are square. I kind of like that. And all of the sizes are on like a 6, so you could just pop off whichever size that you want and apply them on. So these are definitely more for petite hands, petite nails. So I wouldn't be able to try these out for today, but I will save them and possibly have them in a giveaway when we hit 5,000 subscribers. So thank you, Born Pretty. Really nice new products. Okay, so the next new products that we have here is stamping polish. This is something I don't think I've ever done. I mean, I've tried, but I just can't seem to get stamping right. So I'm quite excited to actually give stamping a try. There's a learning curve with stamping, so I'm definitely going to have a dedicated video trying out how to do stamping. So this is their white stamping polish, and just a quick look at the ingredients to the back there. And then we also got a really cute Valentine's stamping plate. We got love, we got some hearts, look like we got a little note and some arrows and some roses. So I'm really excited to give this a try, and I hopefully, it should only just be one in here. Yeah, I think it's just one stamping plate inside here. So yeah, that's really, really nice. We got some little love notes, a little locket. So cool. I hope I can figure it out because I would definitely like to give it a try. All right, in a separate video, we'll definitely be doing those. So now we have some more new products here. I'm actually really excited to try this one because I have the clear nail tips glue gel, but this one is glitter. So that means you can actually apply your nail on using this product, and then you actually have color underneath it. So we're definitely going to be trying this out today. And then we have 2 new gel polishes here, and these are also in their new packaging with the new logo and everything. So here we have a magnetic gel, and that's the number there in case you decide to be interested. Flipping it over so that you can see what the ingredients look like. And yeah, I was trying to see if there's heme in here. It should say hydroxyethyl methacrylate, but I don't actually see that. So yeah, this might not have heme inside of it. All right, so this is our magnetic gel. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful it is. Beautiful. And so if you want to do like a cat, I wonder if that cat means cat, because I do have the Born Pretty, I have their little, magnetic thing. So I'm gonna see if this is it says magnetic, so that means I could do it. Anyway, we'll give this a try. I'm gonna swatch this in a minute. And then the second product here, excuse any background noise, guys. There's some kids playing outside in the window, near my window where I'm recording. All right, so Born Pretty CG004. And this seems to be a gel polish. Ooh, that's a beautiful pink color, perfect for Valentine's. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 swatch sticks. We're gonna go ahead and swatch these 3 products here. Okay, I've got my swatch sticks here. Excuse me. And let's go ahead and see what the nail tips glue looks like. Wow, giving me some polygel vibes. I haven't done polygel in so long. Oh, she's thick too. So this would be good for those of us with flat nail beds. Oh, I must have to squeeze it down. Yeah, she all the way down to the bottom. Interesting. So wow, I would just apply this onto the nail. That's beautiful. I'm not gonna press it down because it's not like polygel that you could use a polygel brush. So it's a nail glue. That is stunning. Beautiful. Absolutely love that color. Well done, Born Pretty. All right, now let's go ahead and swatch these two gel polishes, starting off with this beautiful pink color, perfect for the Valentine's season. Going on really nice, really smooth, medium consistency, not too thick, not too thin. Definitely would need 2 coats of this. I wouldn't say it's a 1 coat coverage because you can have a little bit of, maybe, you could maybe get away with it. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply 1 coat on here. It's a beautiful pink. Nice and neutral. Yeah, and it's not too, you know, not too much on my complexion. Let's pop those under the UV lamp. And you know what? I'm gonna grab another swatch stick and I'm gonna press that glue down just to see what it looks like because I want to see. Let's go ahead and swatch the cat eye one. It's almost like a little bit of brown undertone to this. It's not like a hot red, almost like a copper red. So cat eye there. And I'm going to grab the Born Pretty magnet. Let's try the circle one to the bottom. There we go. I hardly ever use the circle one. Oh, that's nice. Nice, mate. See that? Oh, look at my cat eye. Is that pretty, eh? Okay, I'm gonna push this under the UV lamp. That was really cool, actually. It was really cool. I usually don't get it right, but you know, that's nice. Okay, I grabbed another swatch stick and we're just gonna go ahead and press it down onto each other just to get an idea of how it would look if it was actually on a nail. Okay, that's nice. That's actually really pretty. Yeah, I'm a cure it just like that as well. As I was putting this swatch stick in there, it kind of touched this one, but actually I kind of like that. It's like a little abstract nail. So that's how it looks once it has been cured. And now let's get into a nail design. Okay, so we are gonna get started on applying our full cover nail tips. What I like to do is use my electric file or my nail drill, and I just like to file around that cuticle area that I will be applying to my nail bed. And this allows the nail to be kind of flush, like it'll be nice and natural looking and won't be too bulky in that cuticle area, which can lead to lifting. Also, I like to file the inside of that nail bed area that I will be adhering to my natural nail just to give it a nice etching. I take a brush and I brush away any of the dust that might have developed with the filing. And then I also like to use primer to add another chemical etching. I don't know, some people skip this step, but I like to particularly do it. It's just a habit that I have. And I feel it does help my nails to last a little bit longer. Now, I don't want these nails to last me long because I create content. So I'm going to go in with a water-based peel-off base coat over my entire nail and then let that self-dry. Okay, so now let's go ahead and give this new nail tips glue a try from Born Pretty. Now, I also will be using the 6-in-1 nail glue simply because I know that my nail beds are really flat, especially on my thumb. So I'm gonna need a little extra help, and the 6-in-1 nail glue is just gonna give me that extra little bit of thickness that I needed to apply this nail. All right, so here's how the nail is looking, and that actually went on pretty good and it feels pretty strong. I went ahead and applied all of the other nails off camera because I was doing the exact same thing. So now that we have all the nails on and we gave them a full cure for 60 seconds under our bigger lamp, now ready to go and get the nail design started. I'm going to go ahead and apply some primer to the top of the nail just to remove that surface shine. You can also buff your nails with the buffer as well, but I like to reduce the amount of dust that I have on the surface of my nail and just use a primer. So I will be doing a base gel overlay, and I have three or four. I'm using four of the rubber base gels from Born Pretty. I have done a video unboxing and swatching all of their rubber base gels. Highly recommend you get yourself some rubber base gels. Throw all your base gels away. No, don't throw it away. But rubber base gels is my new best friend. So to apply my rubber base gel, and I have done detailed tutorial on how to use these, so definitely check my channel out if you are new. We're going to go in with our slip layer. This is just a thin layer of the rubber base gel over the entire nail, covering all of the crevices. Do not leave any gaps, any space, because you're going to have a little bit of texture or unevenness with this product. Definitely take your time. There's no reason to rush. Once you have your slip layer down, then you're going to go in with a bigger bead towards that cuticle area, trying to build that apex, and then you're just going to swipe the product all the way down to the tip of the nail. Now, I'm not applying this rubber base gel all the way up to the cuticle because I want this to kind of be like a little peekaboo. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of that showing. So that's why you see me actually starting right here where I am. And as you can see, I am pulling the product down, but I'm swiping from side to side. Now, this is a longer nail, so it's definitely going to take me a longer time to apply all of this product. But if this was a medium or even a short nail or even a long nail, because this is 3XL, it wouldn't take as long. But I'm leaving all of this in because you need to be able to see how you can actually build a long nail with a nice apex using a rubber base gel, and it's not that difficult. It's very similar to hard gel application actually, except the rubber base gel is specifically for weak nails, nails that are a little bit more flexible, a little bit more bendable, which these full cover nail tips are. So I really do love them because there's very little learning curve with using a rubber base gel. Now, once you're done applying the product down, the majority of the center of the nail, you will need to fill in the sides. You can get away with using the brush of the actual rubber base gel, but I would recommend using a liner brush because the liner brush is much finer and it's going to get into all of those crevices that this big brush really can't get into. But for the purpose of, for this video, I'm just using the brush from the actual bottle, but I do recommend using a liner brush because it's just much better. Okay, so once we're satisfied with all of the product being onto the nail, let's get a side profile. You can see here that I have a good enough apex, but you can see that towards the tip, you got a little bit of a ski slope going on. So we need to fill that in. And how you would fill in any gaps is just kind of lightly floating the product on top of the area that you feel needs a little bit more. If you feel like your apex needs to be just a little bit higher, gently go ahead and float the product on top of the nail, moving back and forward just to make sure that those bumps and lumps are even, and just kind of gently glide it down towards the free edge of the nail. And I guarantee that it should work out pretty okay. Now, the last step to do is definitely to hold your finger up upside down so that gravity does all of the work for you and kind of pull all of that product towards the center of the nail, therefore increasing your apex. Now, we're going to move on to the other nails off camera. I kind of doing the exact same thing, building up my apex, looking at it from the side profile, making sure that I am satisfied with it. And honestly, I am so happy that I've discovered rubber base gel. It's absolutely amazing. And you can almost get away with making your nails look exactly like acrylic nails. So if you have a problem with monomer, I love playing with acrylic, but honestly, the monomer has just literally been killing me. And I have so much acrylic powders. Oh my goodness. But rubber base gel, guys, is the way to go. Look at that apex. Tell me that apex. Y'all know. Me and acrylic, I always used to have flat apexes. So just being able to see my progress with moving, getting better and better at building an apex and making sure that my nails are a little bit more stronger. I'm very happy with that. All right, so now we're just going to go in with a layer of clear base gel over the middle as well as the ring finger. Now we're going to get into some nail design. I'm going to grab some gel polish here. This is the one from Born Pretty. And we're just going to go ahead and do a little abstract side front, swirly whirly side front. I'm actually taking inspiration from my bee set of nails that I did last year. I wanted to do a Be Mine Valentine. So this was kind of inspired by the bee nails. Like, you know, I thought it would be really cute to do a little spin off with a little pink version of that nail design. Okay, here's how the nail design is looking so far. We got a lot of pink going on here, but they are all coming together. I actually really like it. I'm not actually a pink girl, you know, I'm a purple gal, but I was really feeling these pink sets. I might do a purple set as well. All right, now it's time to draw our bee trail, and we're just gonna take a black line art gel, and we're just gonna go ahead and do a little dot, dot, dot as the trail for the bees. I'm gonna do this on my thumb, my index finger, as well as my pinky finger. And on the index I wrote B-E-E, and then on the pinky I did mine. So it's kind of like Be Mine Valentine, but I had enough space to write all that, so we're just gonna write Be Mine. All right, once we're done writing this, we're gonna give this a cure under the UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. All right, so while my nail is drying, I grabbed my charms, my little bee charms, and I also grabbed some of these little flowers. Remember these flowers? These flowers they were lit last year, and I'm bringing them back. I'm getting a head start before the trends start coming in and everybody start doing them. So I'm grabbing the bee charms, and I'm grabbing some flowers, and I'm also grabbing some flat back rhinestones, and we're just going to go ahead and add them onto the middle as well as the ring finger. And I'm going to be using my MANICURE rhinestone glue to try to adhere the charms. Alright guys, here is a final look at this Be Mine Valentine nail set inspired by some bee nails and pink explosion. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Let me know what you think down in the comment section about my little apex and my little bees. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.